This video is for the beginners, those that are planning to go into reboiling. So why I'm doing this video is to tell you that you see all these components, don't joke with them. When it's come to reboiling, don't joke with them. You have to be very, very conscious and very careful while reboiling this. After reboiling, you have to check to see. If you check at the ending of this IC, there is a mark here. This is our this is our RAM, this is our CPU. Here is RAM, here is CPU, and here we have power IC, and we have a eMMC here. Then here is a network IC. So after reboiling, let's say for example you reboil a CPU. You know CPU is very, very hard to reboil because it has so many balls inside. So if you check, let me zoom it for you. As this end, you see there is a dot here, something like a mark here like this. If you check, there's a mark here. So that should tell you that that is where you set the CPU. You understand? Then if you turn it to this side again, you see another mark again. So be cautious of these marks at the ending of this CPU. This side there is no, but there is one at this end. There is small one at this end here like this at this mouth. If I'm using microscope to zoom everything now, you will see everything correctly, but I'm using my phone to shoot this video. So the same thing goes to the RAM also. The same thing goes to the RAM. Then the same thing go to power IC or eMMC, all of them. If you can't see all those marks very well, I advise before you remove any IC, any component, make sure you get a sharp blade or sharp object to design a mark, a little mark, maybe within here or here, for you to understand. Whenever you want to reinstall the IC back, it will not be hard for you to set. And every IC have this dot, like a dot at the top. Look at this power IC, there's a dot. This one also has a dot, you can see. Then when you come to CPU, there's a dot here. This one, there's a dot. That will show you that that is the negative side. Anywhere you didn't see a dot, that is a positive side. The same thing comes to all these charging IC and graphic IC. So whenever you see a dot on any particular on a particular component in any phone, that should show you that that is a negative side. Every phone part has a negative and positive side. So you cannot remove this power IC as this dot is facing down like this. After the boiling, then you go and install it facing up. No, you don't do it like that. Or if you remove the IC, check. When you zoom it with a microscope, you zoom it, you understand that there's a place at the down that there's no balls. They don't have any balls. So you can even trace it from the inside of the IC for a simple understanding for you, from the inside of the IC. But where you understand it most is by you to make sure you have a mark here, or you understand those marks that are outside here. And after reboiling, I advise, look at this picture showing on the screen. This is a RAM that I reboil. So if you see those balls, all the balls are in good shape. No one is bigger than another. So I advise you reboil any IC that you want to reboil. Make sure all the balls are the same. So thank you for this one, and share this video for others to enjoy, guys. I love you all.